Yo, 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 what is good, guys? It is Flacco back here with another unboxing. Thank you guys for coming back, watching and shopping. Not shopping, but watching with me. It's so nice to see, not really see, but it's so nice to have you guys here. Welcome back to my channel. You know, I'm gonna kick it off with one of you guys' favorite things one of my favorite things that I think is also one of you guys' favorite things. It's the B-roll, baby. I got the Stage Haze. Ooh. I wonder, like, if you sniff this too long, will you get high? Drop your comments below. Let me know if you sniffed it. Like, damn, that smells good. Taking a look at that bad boy, you see you get two shoelaces. You got the black that's already in there, and then you got the peach and the white. Like, I can never just get a clean cut pair of shoes without any flaws. This be the shit that I'm talking about. If I'm paying good money, why would you like let that just crease up so easily? See that crease? What is that? It looks like maybe it's some paint, maybe it's something that's on there, but it's all good. Bottom of the shoe, you're going to have that gray, smoke gray sole, light Stage Haze, whatever you want to call it. It's gonna have that smoke gray Stage Haze sole. And then when you move on up to the upper part of it, the sole is just gonna be white. This has a mixture of suede to, like, let's call this shedding leather. I know that they're trying to get this OG feel on the shoe so people can say like, oh, this is an OG, it has like the old material. I'm paying for new shoes. I get that you guys want to switch up the texturize and texture it a little bit, but please, people, how long, like, how will we know that this is a creased leather, how will we know the quality and how long this will last? So Nike happened to put a actual informational tag on here, just so for people like me who's like, hey, why are there cracks on this shoe? And it says, please note, natural cracks seen on the upper is normal due to random crackling ink application. So it's an actual ink that's on the shoe. It's not the leather that's built in, not the textured leather that I thought. It's an actual ink. Just taking a good look at this sneaker, this Retro 1 overall. Come to find out, this is like a crackled ink. Overall, I rate this shoe on a scale of 1 to 10. You get a good 5, my guy. The colorway is smooth, it's simple, but I give them a 5 as far as the design, the textured ink on the upper sole, but also around the rim of the shoe. It's cool, but I'm just getting Shadow 1 vibe. Well, this is Shadow 1's cousin. This is exactly who this is. This is the Shadow 1's cousin. So these was the ones that obey the rules, and the Shadow ones were the ones who broke the rules. Let me know if you were able to cop a pair of the Staged Haze. Let me know if you copped a pair. Also, let me know what you think about these. On a scale of 1 to 10, drop your number below in the comments and let me know what you think on a scale of 1 to 10. Until next time, guys, I will catch you next video. Flacco is out.